Fidelity offers $0 fees, fractional shares, and no account minimum. Steps: takes 5 to 10 minutes. Go to fidelity.com. Click Open an account, Roth IRA. Log in or create a Fidelity account. Use existing login or sign up with email or SSN. Provide personal info, full name, date of birth, SSN address, phone, employment. Choose beneficiaries, spouse, kids, etc. Fund the account, optional at this step. Link bank, instant verification via Plaid or manual. Minimum $0. You can open with $1 or $0. 2025 contribution limit, $7,000, $8,000 if 50 plus. Choose investments. Fidelity Go, free robo-advisor under 25K. Fidelity Zero Expense Ratio Index Funds, FSROX, FZILX. Or pick any stock or ETF. Sign and submit. E-signature. Account opens instantly.